What's up, near protocol holder? So today video is gonna be very shocking for all near protocol holder because the price is very cheap. And remember, when price was go down, the price was jumps down. Absolutely, opportunities of a profit is gone more and more. So let's get started. Brand video. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, we are also predicate this coin in this video. So kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Subscribe. The volume is 26.08% decreasing. Here is the market cap, 0.62% decreasing. Remember, when market cap was decreasing, my friend, that's mean to people are starting selling. Yes, trust me, my friends. In those days, especially when the volume was decreasing, remember, this mean to people are starting selling and holder are not holding. So therefore the market cap, the price was also decreasing. But if we check out the price chart, my brother, so we will completely understand to is it good for investment or not. Here is the, my friends, big dumps, my friend, you can see here, and which you can see, my friend, it clearly show you to the this was create opportunities for pumps. You can see, my friend, when it was dumps down, people are starting selling, but you were doing very big mistake. When it was dumps down, after that it was pumps up. As you can see here, this was the highest point, so 5.350 USD dollar. This was the highest points, and absolutely after that was dumped. So therefore you will need to be active. Okay, and again it was pumps up. So absolutely, my friend, after a dump every coin is pumps, and after a pump every coin was dumped. So therefore you will need to be active and check this, my friend, because absolutely this was very important for everyone. Okay, so in this time also the price was very cheap, and it's gone and negative. So if you buy it in this point, I'm sure, my friend, to yesterday or tomorrow they will give you a very huge profit and positive pump, my friend. So you will need to invest and hold. What's your advice, what's your opinion? Kindly share it in the comment box. And thanks for watching, near protocol holders. Please subscribe this channel for more free signals and prediction videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.